Okay, here's the solutions to the Esters questions. Butanoic acids reacting with propanol in the presence of a sulfuric acid catalyst. Acid plus alcohol with a sulfuric acid catalyst, that means an ester. So we are asked to draw equations of that reaction. And as I say here, always start off with the full structural equations, then you can work out the other equations from that diagram. Much easier to do it that way. And then pentyl propanoate. So pentyl propanoate, we've got a 5-carbon alcohol and a 3-carbon acid. So 5 carbons, then the oxygen in the chain, then the carbon double bond oxygen and another 2 carbons. So we start off, as I say, with the full structural diagram. So we draw butanoic acid, with the carboxyl group facing in. We draw the propanol with the hydroxyl group facing in too. We pull out the water molecules. So the H from one, the OH from the other, pull them out, that makes water. We join up what's left over. So that carbon needs a bond, that oxygen needs a bond, of course our catalyst, and this is what we end up with. That is the ester group there, the carbon double bond oxygen and the oxygen in the chain. Circle those 3 atoms to indicate the functional group. Don't forget to put the water in. Now turning it into semi-structural formulas. Like I say, it's easy going from the full structures. So just start from the left-hand side. I think I might just show the process of producing the ester here, and then you'll see the acid and the alcohol on the solutions anyway. So the ester, CH3 on the end. So we're just going down the chain, one atom at a time, saying what's attached to that atom. CH2, CH2, CO, O, CH2, CH2, CH3. So that's the semi-structural formula of that acid. Now, see how you've got those repeating groups there. You'll see a lot of the time those being abbreviated. Something like that. In situations like this, it's not too much extra work to write them out in full, and it's sort of easier to see what's going on when you do it. Now we can do the skeletal formula. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons, and on that 4th carbon, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on this carbon we've got double bond to an oxygen, then we're going to go down to the oxygen in the chain, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3 carbons. 1, 2, 3 carbons. Like I say, once you've got the structural formula or the semi-structural formula, skeletal formulas are easy. The alcohol was propanol, so it becomes propyl. The acid was butanoic acid, so it becomes butanoate. Then flip through to the rest of the answers and draw, what was it? Pentyl propanoate. So pentyl means pentanol, means 5 carbons, then the oxygen in the chain. Propanoate means 3 carbons, and the first of the acid carbons has the double bond oxygen on it.